So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you how to buy Shiba Inu cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. So once Robinhood is opened up on the main screen here in the middle, press on the magnifying glass. Then once you're here, go to the top to where it says search by name or symbol, and then start typing in Shiba Inu. Ticker symbol SHIB, select it. Once you have it selected, you can go to the bottom and press on the green buy button. Then you can type in how much you want to buy. So if you wanted to buy $3 worth, you would type in 3. Then you can press review. So once you're here, you can then see how much Shiba Inu crypto you're purchasing, the fees, the cost, etc. And if this looks good, you want to proceed, go to the bottom and swipe up to submit your order. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to buy Shiba Inu cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.